let's say you are trying to enter log base 2 of 100 on your calculator, but your calculator does not have the log base button like this. So in this case, what do you do? The answer is that you will have to use the change of base formula for log. This right here is equal to just a regular log, which means log base 10, and this log should be on everybody's calculator. If your calculator does not have this log, you need to change your calculator. And then you enter this number here, and then divide it by, enter the log again, and then you enter the base number in here. And then just work this out, log of 100 divided by log of 2, and you will get approximately 6.6439. And that's the answer for that. The truth is, you should also have the natural log button on your calculator, which is ln. You could also have used ln of the input number right here, and then divided by ln of the base number here. You just have to make sure that this and that match. That's how the change of base formula works. And if you do that, you will still end up with the same answer, 6.6439. But why is this true though? Let's talk about it. So the question for the day is, we would like to answer, why is log base b of some input that's x? And remember, once you write this down, x has to be positive, and b also has to be positive, and b cannot be 1. So remember the conditions. Why is this equal to, let's just use log, the regular log on the calculator, and then you enter the x here first, and you divide it by log of the base number here. And the parentheses is technically optional, especially when you only have one thing inside the log. So, why is this true? Check this out. Here's the explanation. So suppose we are trying to figure this out. I'm just going to call that to be a variable, let's say k. K is equal to log base b of x. So we have a log form right here. We can change this to an exponential form. To do so, you can just pretend these are the exponents, and you do the same base b right here to that power, and then do b to this power. When the base of the exponents show and the logarithmic take out the same, they can cancel. You can go from here and say this is the same as b to the k equals x. And remember, k is equal to log base b of x. If we can figure out what k is, then we'll be done. Of course it's that, but we're going to get this into another form. How though? Here, I'm going to take the regular log, the log that everybody should have on your calculator. Log here and log here. Then, by one of the log properties, when we have an exponent, we get to bring that to the front. So this right here gives us k times log of b, and that's equal to log of x. And ladies and gentlemen, to figure out what k is, let's just go ahead and divide both sides by log of b like this. Cancel, cancel, and congrats, our k, it's equal to this, which is telling you that log base b of x is equal to this expression, log of x over log of b, just like this. And I'll box this right here for the change of base formula for logarithm, which is really useful in many situations. That's it.